Well, after all of the anticipation, all the hype, whatever you want to call it, Danger Boy Deegan is finally racing Supercross. Obviously, going into his first debut, whatever you want to call it, at round 2, or A2, not round 2, A2, Anaheim 2, racing the Supercross Futures division, so he's not the full pro yet, but this is the step up. This is I'm not just racing mini-O's or racing amateur races anymore. This is the future. I'm on a big boy bike racing the future stars of this sport on a full supercross track. This is the same things that the pro 250 guys are riding, the same track the pro 450 guys are riding. So this is it. I mean, obviously, he still has a lot of work to do, a lot of time left before he's racing Jet Lawrence or whatever you want to call it. But this is the step. This is what needed to happen. And this was teased a few weeks ago on Brian Deegan's, his dad's Instagram, saying, the speed is there and da-da-da. The only way to really show it is to start racing these guys, which is true. This is what I thought. He's been on the Star Racing team for at least a year now. He's been on the 250 for a long time. This is the necessary step. I mean, you can sit on the team and be super fast in the practice track. There we go. As much as you want. You can be great for social media. You can have one-off laps that are stellar. You can look awesome while practicing. Where it really matters is this. Getting on a track, racing people that are at your level, because obviously he is massively ahead of the people he was racing in mini-O's or schoolboy class or whatever they call it, where just, you could go and win 3 or 4 titles in a weekend. Fine, it's great. It's cool for the trophy case, it's cool for the confidence, but like what you really need to do is get on a track with these people, the other young stars, people on factory bikes, people with the backing and the training, and prove it. He has all the hype in the world, obviously, for who knows how long, all the way back to when he was a little kid riding his dad's 450 around. Let's see if it actually happens. Personally, I'd love to see it. You hate to see someone who has so much talent just fizzle out when he hits a pro level or get injured. Like, I never want to see that. You never want to see that for anybody. So I hope he comes in. I hope he's fast. I hope he's competitive. I want to see, fighting for podiums and wins. I want to see all of this grow into something. Maybe not grow, that's not the right word, but like produce into something. All the hype, all the years of like, he's the future. He's got everything. He's got the bike. He's got the trainers. He's got the family pedigree, whatever you want to call it. Now it's just go out there, show what you've done, show everything that all the work you put into it matters. But in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think he's going to do? Is he going to race pro motocross this year? Whatever it is, make sure to do it in the comments below. Let's have a conversation. And while you're going down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because obviously playing the YouTube algorithm game, it helps me a lot and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.